Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, let's learn 3 new shapes together. Ready? Let's go. Look at this shape. It's called an oval. It looks like an egg or a rugby ball. Can you say it with me? Oval.
Oval.
Now here's a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Like a book or a door, say it with me. A rectangle.
Rectangle.
And this is a pentagon. It has 5 sides. It looks like a little house. Can you say it? Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Great job, kids. You learned oval, rectangle, and pentagon today. Don't forget to practice by finding these shapes around you. Tap the subscribe button for more fun learning videos. See you next time.